my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. It's JuJu. And JoJo challenged me to yet another little house tag challenge. And this is her. Here she is. Ain't she pretty? Okay. Now this is the tag, but it slides into its holder. You can glue it on the page or let it be a floating tag. It comes out of its little pocket. Here it is. It opens up, and you have your gesso spots that you can write on here, and there's a little tuck spot here. And it also opens up, and you have your writing spots, your little secret writing spots, and a little tuck spot. And then it just folds back up and slides back in your tag. Okay, here's how we made her. You want to find your junk mail envelope. You want to deconstruct it. All sides, have all your sides deconstructed and open. Then you want to fold it back up. Fold down the part that's going to make your roof that you want to have for your roof, and you want to cut it off. Okay, when you do that, you're left with these two pieces. Then you want to choose your paper that you want to have for your front, and that will be your back, and this will be your front. So you want to find out what papers you want for your front and then for your back. Alright, you find your front papers, you want to lay it down on that side and this side. Glue it down, cut it out. Then whatever papers you want on the inside, if you want to put some papers down on it or just copy paper, whatever, you put it down. If you're not, okay. After you cut that out, then your house part is ready. Then you want to take your tag piece. You can use cardstock. This is the little time cards that came from the Dollar Tree. You just want to measure the size of envelope you have. This one is 3 2/4 by 9. But you want to measure what you want to have for it. You want to slide down your envelope, fold it over for your rooftop. Once you've done that, then you put them together. And after you fold that off, then you want to just cut the part off for your chimney if you want a chimney. And then once you do that, you can washi tape them together. And then the part that is your chimney, whatever you did for the front of your house, then you just take it on the chimney part here and fold it over to the back, so the front of your chimney and the back of your chimney piece would have the same paper as your house, if that's what you want to do. And then once you do that, then you just start doing your painting if you want to paint, or ever how you want to decorate. Now for the door, the pieces that you cut off here, you can use to make your door and your window. The door and window can be constructed the way I did it, or another way that I do them is you can have the door with a cutout to put like a little stained glass picture in or something. And then this would be a round window if you wanted a round window. And then these parts here would be what you could construct to make your window frame with. Now this is from the Dollar Tree. It's just a little sticker, and these are just little stickers here, flower stickers. Now this piece here is a page out of a book, and I just cut it, and then G. Kerr showed you in one of her videos how to do the shading to make the flower pots, and you just shade heavily on the sides and the top and the bottom. And then you crease it where you want the top of your flower pot to be. And once you crease it, you shade that very heavily with your ink. And then that's it. That makes a dimensional piece of it. But that's how she was made. Okay, thank you. Have a good one. Bye.